everybody. Welcome to Social Media Education with Joshua the Window Cleaner. This is episode 19. I am Joshua Birdsell with Positive Enterprises Window Cleaning, Screen Repair, and Solar Panel Cleaning. And today I'm going to be showing my personal page on Instagram, just how I've built it personally. This is my Joshua the Window Cleaner one. This is not my business one. So my business one looks just like my Facebook one. It's got my logo on there, and it also has a bunch of posts. So I'm just going to show you what I have on my Joshua the Window Cleaner one, because I think it is cool to have like something like that, something personal for Instagram, because it's more of a not such a business environment for me personally, because I don't get a whole lot of business from it, so it's more for a personal side. So today I'm just going to be showing you my personal Instagram page just to show you what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we'll click on the app like normal, and you'll see that there. Oh yeah, I want to say one thing. Be always watchful on who you're following, because Instagram tends to follow people by itself, and so you have to go on there and unfollow people. Not sure why they do that, but they do. So I think people pay for followers, and so then it's a bunch of random stuff on there. So it's another reason why I'm not a big fan of Instagram, but hey, there's a lot of people out there that actually use it and get business from it. So that's why I wanted to show you how to do it. Now, let's get to my page. Now I'm just going to show you. You see that there's a couple pictures of my son. There's a couple pictures of me, but most of it's going to be window cleaning pictures. I really don't post videos on Instagram. I've been doing it on Facebook just because I get a lot more traction on Facebook, and I just don't spend the time on it. I think if you spend the time on it, maybe it will be beneficial for you, and I hope that you will, and I hope it is beneficial for you. But for me personally, it's not, so I just post pictures that I take throughout the day. This is the only place that I really post pictures. I don't really post pictures onto Facebook. I just do that mainly on Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So if you go to post, let's find a picture real quick that I want to add. We'll just add this one. So then you want to push that little button in the bottom left that stretches it out. Then you can kind of move it how you want it, where you want it. You can put effects on there. It gives you that option. Make sure to write a caption. Now, this is very, very, very important. When you go to write a caption for your photo, I'm going to put window views, and then I'll add a couple of the emojis like I talked about in the last episode. Now, I didn't do this on the last episode, but this is super important. So I do hashtag oddly satisfying, hashtag window cleaning, and you want to put as many hashtags as you possibly can. So we'll also do hashtag Temecula, and then we'll do hashtag Temecula. We can do hashtag wine country, because this picture was taken out in wine country of Temecula. So as many, you can just keep going and doing hashtags. The more hashtags, the better. Your post is going to get a lot more attraction from a lot of different other people if you do the hashtags. That is the key to Instagram, just from what I've heard from other people, and also it does work for me whenever I put the effort into it, but I just don't put a whole lot of effort in Instagram. I'm not real big on Instagram, so I just wanted to show you this just in case it can be a benefit to you. So there you go. You see my post. There's a picture. You see the hashtags. So when people click on those hashtags, you're going to see a bunch of other photos that have that same hashtag. That's the cool thing about it. But yeah, so that is my personal page, my Joshua the Window Cleaner page, and I'll show you in my bio. My bio is super simple, and I even put the link to my YouTube, and I just put YouTube. My YouTube is better because I wanted to make this to direct people back to my YouTube channel. So when they see all the photos and stuff like that, if they see window cleaning, they can go right back to my YouTube page. That was the why I ended up making Instagram. That Instagram was specifically for traction to get people back to my YouTube channel. So anyways, I hope that helped to show you like how to make a post if you're posting pictures versus making a reel. A reel was a little bit different. But if you're posting pictures, just make sure to use those hashtags. That was my personal page, and that's it for episode 19. Try to keep it short today. We will see you tomorrow morning for episode 20, and make sure to go on there and actually do these things that I'm talking about. This is how you gain traction. Be consistent. Go back and make sure you're posting on Google and Facebook as well. We talked about that last week. But yeah, so we will be recapping tomorrow and just basically holding you accountable. That's what I like to do on the Friday episodes, just because I want you to spend time. I want you to have that time on social media to build it. Okay? Y'all have a blessed day today, and we'll see you tomorrow morning for episode 20.